say you are new to online course creation. You might not want to pay for the website you will be hosting your course on straight away, because maybe you want to test the whole designing and creation process, and you actually want to see if you are able to sell the course itself or not. Now, the websites where you pay to host your course offer some free trials, but these usually last like 1 or maximum 2 weeks. But today I want to introduce you to some platforms that have free forever plans as well as the paid ones. And I want to compare two options to get you started. So one of them is knorish and the other one is coursecraft. And then you can decide for yourself which one you prefer. Bear in mind that if you want to go straight away for a paid option, well then that's a different matter, and I might do another video on that. Okay, so here's the knorish free option. It says trial plan, but it's actually free forever until you upgrade. Okay, so 3.95 transaction fee for paid courses. Percentage calculator. Okay, so let's say you sell your course for $20 or 20 euros. I mean, it depends. What is 3.95 of 20? 0.79. Okay, so the platform will take 0.79 cents from your course. Let's say I'm creating a course. New course. Learn 5 ukulele techniques and 3 songs. Create. Go to course creator. Add section. Let's just go for a welcome. Add chapter. Okay. So I have the option of a video, a document, embedded, assessment, and live event. Let's see, what's this live event about? Oh, I need to upgrade. Okay. Assessment, create assessment. I need to upgrade. Okay. Embedded, embed content. Wrong word. Well, I can still embed things I want, right? Document. Video, add video file. So I'm gonna add it from the ukulele technique course I've already created. It's interesting that it's not showing all the files from my course. I think it's because some of the files are MOV, the format, and other files are MP4. So let's see, this is an MP4. Ukulele technique course. You see it's showing many more files, and let's understand why. Yes, exactly, this is MOV, can you see here? It is not showing when I try to upload it on knorish, so which means they only accept MP4s. Now, it might seem like a small technical detail, but actually means that if you know that you're going to upload them on knorish every single time, you're going to have to convert to MP4. Do not save them as MOV. Anyway, let's insert a video of strumming. So it's uploading. Let's look at our other free option, coursecraft. Okay, so 9% transaction fee. Okay, up to 60 minutes of video. Okay, so it means that yes, you can have 2 gigabytes upload per course, but in total, even if you have unlimited courses, you can only have 60 minutes of video. Now, if you want this free option just to host one course, you have. I guess it doesn't matter, as long as you stay within the 60 minutes limit. Okay, so playout, promo codes. Okay, I think knorish has all of these functions, plus, like I said, the transaction fee is lower. However, the promo codes, well, I haven't seen them on Knorish. If I go back, if I go to courses, right, and I go back to my course, settings, I can set the price, but I don't see an option for promo codes. So unless I'm wrong, I don't see it. Now let's go back to coursecraft, and in terms of the actual functionalities that are found inside the course editor. So here I have a sample course. Okay. Now, say I go to the lesson list. This was my lesson. Edit. You see I have my video, but I just added this sample file download. But I can add as many things as I could, I mean, on Knorish. I think I can even add audio, right? And it will automatically play in the course page. Okay, let's talk about money. If you remember, coursecraft takes 9% out of your course price. In this case, I've set it at $20, 20 euros, but wherever the equivalent is in your currency. So we take away 1.79 from you. Knorish takes 3.95, so only 79 cents away from you. So let's say instead you sell this course at $22, okay? And you offer a 10% discount on it. Okay? So let's do 22 minus 2.2 minus 1.79. 18. Okay, let's do again 3.95% of 20, 0.79. 20 minus 0.79 equals 19.21. Okay? If you remember, you were earning 18 if you apply the 9% transaction fees and the 10% promo code you would apply on coursecraft. This 19 result applies to Knorish, which charges you 3.95, okay, transaction fees. So what I'm trying to say is that ultimately, whether you raise the price of your course on coursecraft, okay, and then apply their transaction fee and the 10% promo code, okay, so almost the same amount of money goes in your pockets, whether you don't apply promo codes with Knorish and you're only charged the 3.95 transaction fees, or whether you're charged the 9% transaction fee on coursecraft plus the application of a 10% discount, but you raise the course price.